Okay, Lydia and Shantae, wait till you see this. I'm pretty excited. So thanks for commenting on my on my radish video. So I had to bring Dave out to see the next one. So this is number 2.
Oh, that's a big
I
one.
know, that's what I said. I'm like, this is a
There's
big
more.
one. I was looking for the date. Okay, so I've originally planted these on the 4th of March. And today is April. I just looked it up. What was the date?
27.
26th? Wait, let me look. Hang on. I'm so silly. 27th, yeah. So this is April 27th. So check it out. Oh my goodness. So it's time to plant some more too. As I harvest them, I'm planting more seeds. Succession seeding. Look at how nice this one is. Oh my gosh. I know it's still, I probably could have even left it in longer, but oh yeah, that's a nice one. I guess you get another one for your salad tomorrow, huh? Well, that's pretty exciting, you guys. Seriously. I've never really grown too much edible food here, so this is pretty exciting. And things are really coming up, and that's, wow. And Dave really likes radishes. So that's kind of a pretty good size there for the greenstalk. And like I said, I probably could have left it in longer, but I was excited and impatient when I saw it when I saw it coming up. I'm like,
So,
yay!
For scale.
Oh, here you go. Here's your hand.
Right.
Yeah. So that's a pretty nice size. Yeah, that's a good idea. It gives you some scale. So there'll probably be a few more coming up soon. So I'll plant some more seeds, and I'm really excited. Thanks for sharing this, these little moments with me, you guys. So much love and appreciation.
And see how deep the root went.
Yeah. So there we go.
Compared
to it. So, and this is another reason why I wanted to share this, because I've never grown stuff up, in vertical gardening either. So at all. So this is really exciting for me to learn, and for all of you to see, like, okay, well, how does it work, and does it really work? And so I'm pretty excited about this, and all the things that are coming up more and more every day. And we planted a bunch of more stuff. Whoops, sorry, Dave. Over here, and now we're going to be deciding on what kind of supports to use and things. And this one too has got all kinds of goodies growing. So we're really excited. Thanks, you guys, for joining us. And as always, everything in creation speaks its own beautiful language of light, including all of you, including every single plant, every single seed, every single everything that grows, everything that we are, everything has a beautiful language to share with all of you, with all of us, and us with all of it. So grow stuff, talk to it, love it, share it, and we love you. Thanks for sharing with us. Bye, everybody. It's party time.